I'm Puputi,
I'm Karma.
and we're both co-presidents of tsam for 26. And we're celebrating Losar here in Madison. It's very important to us that Tibetan people, even though we're like a small community in Madison, that we have a visible presence on campus. So that's why we wanted to celebrate Losar.
And this is one of our yearly biggest events that we do yearly, and we decided to do it a bit later this year just because it was kind of hectic around March. So
Yeah, but it's an event that's also open to our community members as well, which is important that we have both community and student presence.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Just
you.
a little.
A late one. We're just going to start off by introducing our board. I'm Puputi, I'm co-president. My name is Karma Pusan, and I'm the co-president and the financial coordinator.
My name is Lindsay. I am the social media chair. My name is Tina. I'm the secretary. My name is Aaliyah, and I'm the outreach.
Hi, I'm Buddha, the dude. I'm the organizer.
Alright, and then we're just going to start off with a presentation. Before we begin, we would like to take some time to acknowledge the land that we are on today. The University of Wisconsin-Madison occupies ancestral Ho-Chunk land, a place their nation has called Tijo. Since time immemorial, in an 1832 treaty, the Ho-Chunk were forced to cede this territory. Decades of ethnic cleansing followed when both the federal and state government repeatedly sought to forcibly remove the Ho-Chunk from Wisconsin. This history of colonization informs our shared future of collaboration and innovation. Today, UW-Madison respects an inherent sovereignty of the Ho-Chunk Nation alongside with the 11 other First Nations of Wisconsin. We're excited to get today's event going by showcasing many different performance groups. However, before we get started, let's hear about the importance of Losar and the significance of this event for tsam and our community. Please direct your attention to the screen for an educational presentation on what Losar is and what it means to all of us. To start our evening, we would like to share the significance of this holiday. Before that, we would like to talk about our mission. The Tibetan Student Association here at UW-Madison is a non-exclusive student group committed to promoting social and cultural awareness regarding Tibet and its people, promoting Tibetan culture, as well as promoting a platform and network for the growing community of Tibetan students here at UW-Madison through our work. Losar is more than just a new year. It's a time of renewal, family, and deep cultural heritage. So Lo means year and Sar means new. It's based off the lunar calendar. In 2026, Losar begins on February 18th. It lasts about 15 days. The first 3 days are the heart of the celebration. As for its origin and history, in terms of pre-Buddhist roots, originally it was a winter ceremony from the Bon religion to appease local spirits and to ensure a good harvest throughout the year. In terms of Buddhist evolution, over time it became a spiritual festival of purification and merit-making. And its symbolism in Tibetan Buddhism, in particular, is its victory that represents the victory of wisdom over ignorance and the casting away of the previous year's misfortunes. So in order to prepare for Tibetan New Year's, usually a lot of families clean, so that they say that it sweeps away bad luck. And we also have our 8 auspicious symbols. A lot of people's homes are decorated with it. They use flour or chalk outside their house, and it invites good energy. We also have a gutuk night, which is the day before Losar. And we eat gutuk, which is a 9-ingredient noodle soup. And you're supposed to eat 9 bowls of the soup, but it's pretty hard. Along with the bowl, it's kind of like a fun game too, and you kind of get your fortune of the year told through the soup. It's in a really big ball, and it will say either if you get wool, it'll say kind-hearted, or salt means lazy. And it's just a fun way to spend time with your family before the new year. And as for 2026, this year, it's the year of the fire horse. And this is a rare event. This combination of the fire element and horse zodiac only occurs every 60 years. And the fire horse is also known for being dynamic, powerful, and transformative. And it is also believed that merit or good karma from spiritual actions is multiplied during a horse year. It's a year for goals and galloping towards your goals. So a little bit explanation about our altar and the offerings. So we have chema, which is a wooden box that we have, and then it's usually part of the chema is like when you go and visit people's house. I'll explain that later. How high, as you can see over there. And then we also usually have puluk, which is
Oh